Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Flybuy. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Flybuy app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app. Then on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like Home, Sale, Search, Wishlist, and Menu. Tap on the menu on the bottom right corner. Then at the bottom, you're gonna see options like Login and Sign Up. Tap on Sign Up. Now, go ahead and give your details. Then tap on Create New Account from the bottom of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up on Flybuy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.